water guard.
What blue water guard. They join the buy. So what they be pamu galamsey for.
What would the devil?
I know my day. Anybody here?
Man, if you're not, Madonna.
I'm more what you be. Okay, ko. Hey, I know my yajma. I know my yajma. I didn't know. Blue water guard.
Or reverse gear. Some boys.
Ono na wa kwa chigalam se for
reverse gear.
Anu wa kwa reverse gear. Yeah, dear. We make a job your mama a scam. Sadie ni adie. Wo the police for cry ye mfie be de ho anyi. Wa ko fan ko krai. Anyway asho mo. So mo ye de mo ko che nkrofo. Na galam se for ni swimi ko. Ana se blue water guard da na gunu so. Na wo gunu so no yes. Omo di amamu na da ni agudi. Agudi o. Just for the boys. No seriousness. Yenye serious. To any idea the fight now. Omom jina so ye dey. No mo hero. Ba kokura nyina dwe so betuma ko. O gas one dey Jimmy.
As a reboot.
Mu resume another one. Yeah. Bobby. Okay. Second raising. Okay. And here here.
Also for
Mami G.
Say my God. Say the best idea God. Mobi office abaye. Anoba pa na obi arege be kasa free aguna ko nyako. Munko twa Flaster house mu sha be she. A wrong move, my God. Praise the Lord. Elisha, I say, your pop, I will chroma. No, it's a president office. No, I catch them and say, I put the headache. Yeah, Bob. You need one man, you don't need many people. Penny Papa could be a movie.
We a prophet Atajebi. We one of the prophet of Kenya. Some papa. Na ni preaching you relatable.
Exactly.
Na jwene ni mudo. We a prophet Atajebi. O Kumase. MCS Bokru mu ho ba bi ni ade. Ehwa no. Na wo manyame som no eye akono. Eso ka no kore. No na mpa so no okay. MCS musimo bi ensuma nkwa prophecy dem. Na afa na kwanya akofo do mo de beba. Obi obeda be so da bia be frɛ no wie no ma mo solution wasi mo mpa nipa ba ko a mo ginidi enya agudie ni ade a de manfo na adwen ni agura enemre mode na yi na se bi Rome krom be din semunu agudi Rome kra sorry free oba obedi semunu si abie papasi na bia yi mode ayi komse beba na kin Solomon kra di sanse mhuni si obeka se mabie komse ayi ministry to monfa yimra ba dia better agudie omo de manfo na gwere di agro na prophecy ni bebre so be frɛ na gya ya pemu ba moni amo it is a way of suppressing them. It is not about the prophecy but the rationale behind it. And it's after na so for no be get closer say ne oka you mirror o prophecy dia come up ye benya 2000 ama why na gya ya di ato madwene sa wo su kura bia na
na me charge wo why lucky
ani ade ya
mandani
na me ade
we charge wo
you charge why
lucky
ani ade ya
munu muntaka
no ma ade
to force
dani boni ewe
Mo boss.
Tell me charge
eti wo mo seresere wa yi na se we ayi no ana no mo seresere ana muntaka ya ka je se nyame atwitwa age wo wa ye lucky ka bete ana nani age anyo no akoye ni nua no ana atofo se mo sere na se na no akwa bi we ka se o president Kufo na Kufo ado sere wa de na se na ntwa yi na atofo se ne muntaka do betimi asere Hey, munyai. Ni sukrai. Ose. Amutaka ni mada kwa.
Sire kwa.
Na obi ani ajepa bo se ni hane peja. Mutaka. No mo sire mo mioma no. No abrofo sire. O my footballers. Adai.
Omu ni ko
say ya. No mo kataka to one. Wow. Nyame atwitwa agemo. Why lucky. Okay. Yeah, most cram poetry. And you flew na yo, young corner afi, young share, and my hina some more kind. And then nobody be broken here. And any famiko na yebedi na do my hina home come. A quiet fast one, I don't mind any person. There be a can asantene bono, a boom, a tibomo, and Diana, why ya dear we are in February. Na, Wadama, no, ye na candy sena de ya mama power. Esi ya wini power ye. Ati asembiwa. Ah wo ma broni asantene ho nto wo moyi. Na do mind Wadama de asembiwa. Adia yentie na adoma hene na we yenka hunu se bono champion council ana bone nim no na se ye bono champion for na ahia dia me de kam hunu yi de wo kan bia ye de be pagya bono
more fire
eti yenko tie se de na adoma hene kan ho no ye de pagya bono bio yentie yi
call fire
and for any doma foi ahia ye odu ba bia binum Baka say asante satan no e kwaman onye no kuro to no ye kwaman I say we ma kan na so mase na kan say asante hini say no ye kwaman na nko obri ye bua de wo kwase na o say tutu o di kane na nye ne oto so bienu no na nka o no kwa ye na kini ya oye de no offense so hini we are fear can no come. Why are they not going? Why are they not coming? One, Sana back in Okrano, one was so okay. Why are they not comfort can see a comfort Yamua, come avoid the two from one Sana, you can say a third you. So I knew. Also, the baby and Baba can say the cool domain in it. Domain, you see, you're cool, you're and you know, crack. Na say no premi e ku nine na wo be ku ba ko na football se nine no se ba ko
Gobi okay na do wine missing o aduana fo na wo mie na ne mamusa wo bono champion ba bia na wo gina na wo di nkomo sa nkomo we no enkola enya adwuma nya wo area we e de na bebre wo mo na do wine wadaro mo papa wo hine wadama wadama gburu sa nkomo yi a wo Jesus here no emayu anu asebo mo nya adwuma nya no anu nti emrantie esi wo mo ba sibra ya nyanyim wo mo at younger age no na wadaro ma se bono champion mo hia sa nkomo we de na bebre wo mo emrantie na ba bono fo mrantie ene ma ba wa na de na bebre wo mo na do ma hine wadaro ma o mi busabio na wadaro ma wanimu a mempopo anim fere na wadaro ma akwan no anya wa bono ntam mpotemu do ma mpotemu no se bono nchampi mo hia suma hene na wadaro ma o mi busa na do ma hene nkomo ya wadi no adi amfasode na de bre kwan ya anye no ewo eye bono adi amfasode na de bre mo na wadaro ma wani mu a wadi amempo anim fere adi pa na sa nkomo ya ana yeku ayi agona ayi ikonfo ya moa ana yeku ayi wo freso ana yeku we yatia waka yatia wone wada mo wani fari yatia we de be mfie be miensa ena ni waka ka yate no kore muku obri ebu a yanyem firi monsem obri ebu a na ku no ani nti ayi o se tutu ma wudwane firi ayi asuntra so wo firi suntra so na akọ wampem enti ayi anim sam eda ho ya yatimi enka hwe wadama na yebusa so ku ofenso hini wiafia kantenya ene ne sa history no 4 years ni waka ede dia na bebrewo enti bono nchampem mo ahia a esenka nioma papa mo ye mo se ye kobono enti ye kobono dia anka nioma efe wo bono ana ye mo bi ye pese ye tie anka nioma e koso bono tourist attraction nioma papa ana ka mo wie ye di hu nkomo agas afefefo e wo bono a ye nyine ye di ani me kire ho aba bono eno nkomo na ka mo di o akwanya enye ekwan ba ne be fa so ama aban aye nuye bono nchampem nkoso ene mu wie ye nkomo ba ne ye di onse mo di ye nko bono no kura ya nka ho asem esu ki ye ba bono na do ma hene ki ye ba bono ki ye be tourist attraction ho the economic viability ye bem enso wie ye nya no ne ye ka ho asem mese oh ye ka ho asem na golden stew ye ba ho na do ma hene wadawo ma ye do si dibia bia ye nyini ko ye nim ye nyini ma ye chi me pepo anim fere ade na wo ye no mese sedachi wo nyini na abo akokora na atwa ubenu ho
exactly
if se said ya wo titi wo nua no montem na se bi mpraduasa me papa akoye sa apan wono ufra kwamu ana otutu mu abeduru asante ana okoye no okoto abonofo yi na okoye no opese abonofo no ho bese no kromani waya mani yesa asese bi wo pa abonofo no asem kura chan ya abonofo no ankasa eti se mintimi muwa medi abonofo no so dia ana ekwan bi a mefa so a mesa emi nua no mo tedo oda sai a o maye bi en mefa so
sa no oye
etu ono a watimi ni bono hene esi yakambuno ni bomu kura no a okokoto suma hene yakambuno bomu a okoto tachimai okoto nkranza edise ene yakambuno bomu kura ni yase epo bia mena di bono no eso a na adoma hene nyew na obedi ani mu efsa wonya bono ni afes wontimi ni ani mu sadia ade ode be excite wo mu a eye we versus them yanka ne ani asantefo nya ntokwa na menuanu mu abonofo no ebebre na ye ono an personal interest
fire
if so they per court of appeal elevation sabi mpradu asante in wanya adwuma mu obia sante in nya judge wanya lawyer on pay promotion enti sa woni sante in nya de wo ye no a ida se wo na de pay promotion if sa ban bi beba no wadidi ho etiane yenya we versus them they papa de wo ye di ano odi o na mfatawo ohine mfataw mempepo ni mfariye mfataw ne mfataw china sa konya kasia edi wasisuo no wona nka atwen ma mofra koye no afra ma ka chom se ba bia yedu no empuntuo ni yehwe enkoso ni yehwe enkola yeyo ni yehwe sa ni oma we divisive wo na afa wo ye na wana betufo na watena nkonwa no ya no mutufo utie die na wadaru ma wo dia wo ye ne mpagya bono efse mu wie bono nchampemu yi enya bono nkomo ni yedi asante nkomo ni yedi na wanko ka asante asem wo ho aka wie enya bono nsam na nkeka eti bono fo minu ya bono fo. How does the Mbapa Jima Bedu Yarbabu Amo? Ibusamo. The Mbapa Jima Bedu Yano. And Waban and the Bramo Bonofo. If some movie yes, you can't borrow some crown. Yan can't bono some. Tourism in Mukoshia, yeah, Kobono. And I want a babono. Yenis Uncle Monipo. It is not dominating the conversations that we're supposed to have. Messere. Many are more for Mamunim Papechi. Messenger. One no na do dianwa. Ya ni ade no se ya bono ne asante ni nyina behye no no de anya ne promotion kakra onfa ho afa duru ba bia nyina empa na chi mesen de boy na mfa mfasodie bia mre na mfa mfasodie mre doma doma for madalma mo na mu nua ne me bia kani se de mo ye kani no de me papa ye na mfa mfasodie bia mre
more fire
me papa nye na dwene se nioma fefe wodoma no obeso oton se nioma fefe wodoma obeso oton a anka se de wo hene kasie se ya da bia no nya kwanya aka mu ye ka fremanfo doma ye wewe wa ha ya ye wewe wa ha tourist attraction na ma ye bi wa ha eti mummra mehwe na no san wansan oba ye wasi tourist attraction kama a wo fremanfo se mummra ye himan na mummra mehwe na doma hene de ye no wa ye ne mra mehwe de hia why do ma yamra me hwebie onya kwanya kan no ne entie bi so why bi dia na nya bi a mesi wadama shase ya no bi na project peja doma na peja doma no na suma peja na tachima peja wanchia peja na kabom na yakese na munua no so yakese na asante yakese na yakese ensewe ne dekura na ede ne fe na efe se bono no apagya ye kese na bono nchempa ye kese na asante nso ye kese enti se odi obekọ sura ni se obi ansa no akosoro na su ne ban we ko fafre hemira why ne su ne ban we ye ko fafre wako ese kura sika no wa wonwe na nso makeka mu ase ade a wo ye no personal interest ntia mbapa obi antimi hwe ne mu kan kire me ka kire open ade a wo ye no se bono aware bebiri o sa asante ne bono na fofa bebiri metia ya baba wa bi ye friend sugar ye fix the country me sugar ye very close enam dia na do ma hene ye ni ade for some years in ye ntimi nkasa akora if say bia wo no ne bono ni wo ye se okoka bibi na tia na do ma hene wampe o boga ise na menua pa no social media shares ye foforo na me ne no ye say yi no ani ade enam dia na do ma hene ye ntia na me ne o boga ntam asai na dia na do ma hene wo ye ye wo ye ne mfaso dia de ba ye wo ane ubutum asa menua no mbono fo bia no wa wo boa o afa yen konkohwe na do ma hene kan bibi fa ayi sikadwa ho so wo ye no sikadwa no ba soso na do ma hene we ye gomo afa yen kwai na ye bema wa education kakra afa sikadwa no don kase na sikadwa ba no de ba ye ayemfo ba ye no kurade na omo de kan ho se tutu de bi kan ho na kwame asibebo nso de de kan ho poku are odi kan wo ba wo de bibi kan ho na sikadwa no kura no ni relevance ne sai na do wayire afi yentie na do mahire ayi dani fade wo ka eye ba ko no fa asante sikadwa ne ho bra na yemusa na do mahine bibi so the fallacy in the argument na do mahine is raising with regards to sikadwa and say o sikadwa no ba so okay, so I'm just saying it the way he said it, not to mimic or to ridicule anybody's language. No na yentie na do mahine
I will go to the yes. Obia natural say the betuma come on front to say me and will be able to show I got now cry sikaja ko fin be di ba gano mo se ba so
na do mayne eti ya soso sikadwa no ya soso yo ba soso ben soso yo ben fasodie ben pa na be de beba bro at this point en fasodie ben pa na mira sa nkomo ya odi e de beba bono o wieye ye ko bono na ese ye kan wasem na nioma pa wo bono ye de ani behwe bie na bono peja asante am peja by tearing other people down
more fire
na do mayne asante freedom na kekambo mu gabe bra na akwam boache a odi kan bra wo wie no ofre ye agona wo bra ofre suta bra ofre kwaman ofre danse ofre joso efre fenso ofre mampon no ka bomu asante ampegya se ya titi nipem eti wo pese wo pegya ye mpegya se wo titi nipem enye yeda adomane na sikadwa no kura no ana efri soro ana mfri soro asante fo na anyi asem sikadwa enye obi adia asante fo ne adia se free soro se free suasio se free bola so se free de yo it embodies the spirit and the soul of the people and they believe in it and they've held it over 400 years. That is how come Asante Kingdom is the last kingdom of their kingdom and yet the most powerful. If so sikadwa omujidie na in any case let's even put away the fact that sikadwa free soro and free soro se bia wa ko school na no aba bedum pempenso yi wonim their friend in mythology Greek mythology what are the relevance of mythology in identifying a group of people so group bia shia wo muji this wo mutresi wo root to bibi which then goes to the go further to the supernatural it will be a Greek for say Zeus be and then one wo yi and enya we and we ba wo na we ba wo yi na sɛ mimpraduasa da bia pride ho ayi German shepherd didi wanim na German shepherd didi wanim yi ɛde nti na wo ya na wo so akraman if sɛ yɛ aduanafo no yɛ say yɛ fra sumanya asantiga ayi asantima so yɛ pia free ɛyɛ ebon ɛmom na no de wo wagye adi a wo de kraman yi gyina wo na be de free soro a wo se wo nyini na do ma yene atai sikadwa na fa sikadwa na picture beto fatuo now you see the fault in the argument and Adoma Hine is raising was it says sikadwa na free soro dia ene enka mark ni wo de dem no ene dem efi se mark ni just yasoso na do ma Hine se bi mpraduasa se nyame bo ade yi obo mema wo mu gina ho brane se de mimi gina ho yi etike kase ya identify bema pa ebi ase de mimi yam nioma sa de be identify na so etimi bo bi fra no mo ye omo nioma se bia wo ba wadaroma wo mo no mo nya mema na e se ni nyina free soro na bai nyame twedi ampon na boy e de se bi free soro na wo expect say enka mom na nya shen mark bia ni ho eni pati konkura ye why na me free ho a ba mu se mark se de damu bebri na no why na so so ye akwene ba nda ni e de se bibi free soro ba dia sikadwa nso wo ba wod na don kase ba more fire they were free from air kosoro I will defy gravity and what did for so many years na emfutro free we moba e keka bo mu aba si fom na wonyinie na god nyamfutro it is also wonyini mpo a e two scenarios ba ko free from ehwiri kosoro a wo ko e wo mai a Christopher yagidi na nso wo chena se besi omfutro sika mfutro e free soro keka bo mu a wo se wonyini na e say no wonyini no wo wonyini na do man ma yede be yede if se sikadwa gina hoyi ode ne don kese bai enam asantifo nim sunsum ahyem nti ya ni ade ase ye man konya sabisabi aduane kora no ye ma sikadwa aduane ye one don kese ya yede na aduane koma no yede ni dwan koma no if se yede ye gidi si enya me kese yedi ya ni ade se tutu wako de ntwirako wie ni bibia ana ode adoma kese mienu no nti nkofo so sikadwa na ye na ha fa ba ko ne bra adoma kase mienu a eye shanshan no eno de enye gold nemom se tutu odi kan na de bo ho if say ye the black stool bi eba na adoma bo ho a ye de call for eye attention creating awareness eno bia na se tutu se ni ye yi sikadwa na ba bonti bia ye mfa sa adoma we mo ho na afa ye ho so amani create awareness eti na mo hunu sa shanshan no afi ya yi mo ba hwa there are pictures of sikadwa no a on say nipa ya ye toys bi ni ade say nipa ni nyina wo na se exactly more fire if se poku ade odi kan wo ba ye woni ayi achim kotoku sa achim kotoku kun se tutu na poku ade odi kan ba ye no no so esu akon wako ye okun ye one of the symbols of ohina okun no ana wo de ne kan ho wo de ne sen ho precisely wo ye ni ade intim jakari wo wie ya wo ko wi fe yas ana se tutu de eno so kan ho so effigies exactly representation ekun ayako ene de ye winie ana ye de abobo ho na na kwame asibebo nsunso ba ye wo ye ne de no no so de ne de kan ho edi se Charles Makati broni aye twanity ana ye na figi de kan ho ne nyina asense ho so if you look clearly it is not just a stool it embodies the history of a group of people it is a be free soro no kura na wonyini a ebia na manfo ne si ho no e kai wo mu bibi an kai wo mo hwe anya ya santo a ana te ho nya sikadwanti no kokko eje santima si ho eje sikadwa na mfiri soro na nso wonu ma ya santo atimi sori mi yanhye so sikadwa na mfiri soro se de wo ka no na nso wonu ma yen resist eye de oppressor soro enti na doma se di asemo a emunu ye kura wo de nko hunu kwan sikadwa ye sosoi Goldsmith for the shia enso atimi aka santia bo over 400 years eti kam hunu ye ya pesa o ye bono kakraka yi na doma ai Goldsmith de bebre alanjari jiwari bebre na kanso bunu champi mu shia yi no mo asoso bi mo atwadwan aguso wo de meka nkere ye se efiri soro wo de ne se wo mo gina na ye sosoi ne mo efiri na de kono abono fo ye nsu yakonwa ye pepe ni wo ye sikagya kwadwo ana bibia de to no na ye de bay it is enkrofo fa sikadwa na obi soso na timi o mo ka bon 400 years and great as it is na wo so pese o ye great ya wo dia wo nya bi na ni mi ya sua yi enso enye we ni hia enkomo we mfa hwe mrew emfa hwe mrew abunofo na mo onye bunu ni na do ma hene onye bunu ni wakoya sa apan onye takraboa onye fomboa etu wo se santene bunu ntam ede bana ade a wo ye ne nyefe na do ma oware santini ba so oware santini ba na menim dia na yire da sori o ka kire no ade anu na adom ahene ye no menim dia na yire da sori o ka kire no fire na mpedifo ka se ohina woni futufo ode ne ho agyanan eko bidwam fire mira yodium na me trend social media na broni sisa artillery ukọ castle no a akasi tu akasi no a bomb hihye woni be gina kumase eto ye di jasha no se kumase manyina asante ne da so si wono etu wanu ine ye ma ya siri social media ebe ya asante ne dai o sha ase 4 years jo ma ma iba ye still asante wo kwa wo yiri mo nye ye o wo yi sante mo nye ye to an say wo ye no won ba ye omo no no na twita so ni ye invite no ni ye man yi na ba ye invite ndo say no anya Isano. If say one chere bunu ne kase dia. Ya do ya hwienye ye o. Yesu omo fro ye na afa ba kokotum sa. And me no mienu nyina ni masema meka. Say die ntia wo ya sa ne political. Exactly. Me no mienu nyina wo nkonya oteso. Edi madanse say me no mienu nyina ye political. Mini baby e frɛ free a o mo ka kyerɛ na na fa ba kotum tete bono ni asantentem if say bono ni asante kan bomu a ɛne NDC won win elections if say bono ye buzia ana asante ni ye about force akotum na wo ye ni ade and it worked many anom bono fall for it that is how come you lose all the 6 seats in bono it ye no ye no enya bono bia na opagya contract in waje if say ye pagya ye court of appeal and ade wo ye na da ache wo be kai na be su e be bodin no ahwe ye mpunu akonya tuntum Dabi. Hello mine. One hwe ya de wo ye no. Ye mpunu akonya tuntum. Dabi. E so hina ye som no a wakwa kura e de oba begya dimpa. Ye wo ye no wo sa ebo no na wo sa asante. Na nso sa o kan ni mienu bo mu a aka ye kase e ma nuanom ye kase. Be srese sa bre na nanom nso da ye. Na de wo ye ni jai. Pepepe. Menuanom abonofo. Obia nam na adom ahina die me die bufo kan bibia etia ye my main aim is the unity of their kingdom. Exactly. More fire. I sugar. Me we show no an mefro. Who US mefro. Old burger. Also say hunu aya ababa kikache. Me respond to woda. O ye na fa number send me on Facebook. Mefro. More fire. Ya bono ni asante ne beka bom. Na adom ahine pa won konto kwankonko. Ye mfa ne ho. Side that. How the way no. Gobi. Ya so free na adom ahine. Kato kraku. Ya da ye no wi aye. Ai, okre. Ai. Krofute hwa mo. Wa wi aye. Ai, o dia fa e kon. Kato kraku aye coup d'etat. Kato kraku ba no constitution bi na de ne ba ye. Na de enti Kofi Adam sa ye din amasa ade na koso no. Enkomo bi akoso. Expose. Sa enkomo ne se o mo di way test waters na hwe. Tienio, Minister of Sports, Wayedin, Ketokre kwa change the constitution of GFA to allow a third term presidency. Ewa bra normalization committee. Omoto, omukasi ya nyanesa. Tienio. If us me back Nani, you are sante ine ayi video na wo to nwom no. Ani ade ye bebo. Why? Ya no ne man for ne to nwom no. Hwe ni we be sa asante. Asante nka bomu, bono nka bomu. Ena na okwawu, woko asante. Fefefe. Na no sante hine ko ogwama hine wo. Fefefe. Ogwama hine nso bai. Fefefe. Sa de be ye no. Ye ntie na do ma hine ya. Na do ma hine. Yo ya ni enti ya ni abono fon ko na ni abono fon ko chena anya yenti Pia ene dani fasiwa sante be ya sante bono be koso aye bono na suma hene ura se benim se memfra no ura o se okobia na asane pay na asane pay mu a enti de wo ya o de se bono di enti aye ofe na suma hene wo na aye bono di na wa ma obi free baby be ba pe free akwamu na wo se bono enti aye ofe tachima hene wo mpene wo asemu yoko hine ompene wasem so da bia ye kan yakwa sa asem bono nyina na ni asante ko bono bia no ani asante ko do ma hine pe na ni asante one sante hine na ko one sante hine menim dia sante hine Jeffrey no ene do no so we every sante hine he is so obsessed with him
precisely so
more fire
mo faket na samra Profitechi amora
okra
ketokraku hey Wa brogeti constitution wasano constitution do buy no ni atwere wom say you shall have 2 terms
exactly
and it was some constitution and I call it will be a mechanical normalization and I screw members and I find now we want the test waters obi yes Kofi Adams say money at the day my dey say and you one year one hwe say Ghana for no be reacting to Ketukreku na so matimi de jomama 10 presidency naba mo yare mo gaze yeti na Ghana for 72 Ghana for one wa begwe 66 Ghana for na ya de wa hai say ya Kwame Nkrumah call to the power ko na de na Ghana for ya mane kai sa buzi ko na Ghana for ya di 72 kai a champion so na mo say mani nye obia adwene na mo kura de mo sa nkrofo mo de kani kwa sa mutimi alter bibia if say ye alter bie ana ma mo ba ye 79 esa ba ye 81 jeje Rollins wo de ku na ma mo ye nipa ti yaka ku asema mo bia nsuro dem wo anya de manfo ne pa na de Ketukreku matena amana ye no wo aye Kofi Adams ye watena ma Ketukreku aye no so to aso sa amane nya wadwene se mo football for na mbetena wa so ne so a and ye Ghana fo nyina ba so jomama 10 president a good deal money so fire ese jomama so hui Ketukreku sa constitution eti yansa nko tetem afọ be ko ba ko so eni yansa nsa ne nkofo obako ba ko yo yansa ne nkofo anya sa na kudi cha be na chesa kudi cha be na chesa a wono ayi Kofi Adams atno me aye sanse huni so enka wa se sports for na monka enka wa mane nyo obi adwene se betimi a transcend to the general constitution Yinifriso. Ketukreku mempoasem.
Okra.
Many anything against you personally. But Sadia wa yint mempoasem. And everybody must abhor such behavior. Dictatorship mindset. Greed mindset. We don't build a nation like that. When the people have agreed that this is the direction we want to go, nobody should think so such a man for to maneuver his way to stay in power for so long.
More fire.
Oh no ayi mano Henry Asante yamra ne mebo Henry Asante video Henry Asante video mi ana menu ano wo Henry Asante kwasi nyantachi wo so wo twa na da pekwe ene ya baba ya kasama for my GF de ekoso tantan menu ya support
more fire
adey Henry integrity Ade
no fire
Kofi ade na most sports for moya za na sports for journalists for ni nyina di ese obi anka sports ko ni dan koku ye bo na oyi sports Obama eno na wo dey claim to fame sports what make us say because of money show ese we jai sports ka
more fire
ayi your friend say me nua ya woni nyansa bebre Ayi Kankan Bodu. Oh, solid guy. Kankan Mobekami ade na akoso no. Kudita. Jola kamunyina mo edi. Sometime wada so ho. Mo munya na sometime o. Ani Jola ka.
Fire.
Ana matena ho. Am ya yekuwi.
Think about this time demonstration.
Demonstration.
Back to back.
So sad. Because you say on Messi back.
Any o ma pene sports wa politics yam pene o. Hey, man, you be arguing. Be catch your pain. And you might have more chiches, Obama, and fancy comedy more. And you might be a freak massy just to put fear in the people.
Exactly.
I wouldn't fear Putia. None Puticha Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah, the detaining Nkrumah. Preventive Detention Act. And no Kwana stopping Nkrumah. Who wouldn't fear Puticha Champo? More be put fear in the people and you catch it all. Till my year mo chiche man for your car, I know watch it. Your car, I know watch it. Oh, yeah, why going to sell better man for the fear show mumu as your way of getting another term and you're possible. You are who we are. You better was it. Thank you very much for your service. Away, get out.
More fire.
Ese musuro se nipa be yisu na no akasa. Se mfuna mu kan kroma bebre. Ani ya kan ni achew. Ya che wanya. Chichi. Itimechi obi. Court amani bail. Ni ya use bail no as a means of suppressing the person.
Exactly.
Itime mo obi bail Tuesday. Now Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes say twa Saturday, Sunday. Monday no kwa yenyaya. Yes zitabense bi. Ese say Obama. Yasawa or report 5 years ago. Say Obama churo bibi on Facebook. It's an abuse of power. Who is it Abense? And not because Obi churo bibi on Facebook. And say mfuna wo churo fa Dr. Mamadu Bawumia. And here you don't even deserve to be appointed as a commissioner, a high commission to UK. Let alone say who moral deputy say who Kwame Achiubi. The abuse of power.
Exactly.
Nkrofo ni yebi. The cassette yai. Momo ba emo ye worse. You cannot succumb. The people won't succumb. Munyansi mfunu no ebe de say ye fanti comedy asimo ka so o say we kura dem be na more
So jinom
fanti comedy obi antimi yo say ya no mbe ya na nkofo ebre nso ye ayi Tommy Thompson mo ye je role say ya no ye no be ko say okay wo mu nyina ye chi wo mu koje mebi kura wi wo mu stock in trade no mo nkola na aba na munimo me say Joy FM wo mu pray wo mu ye 1999 ye beto aba samense mo wo mu to ye radio nia ye bo wura okoye bebre ya na yes be adu ye nto aso grofo wo mu stock in trade no abusing the media
precisely.
Na fe ne ye nya ye beba plane ensemo so Kobi yan sorry fro
Yanko
Galamsey no ebi edu no yesi edwane
ayo
se me kan munti
ayo
jeno me kan no mu di matem Baby bob video sa 5 men ka hwe we are mo am make mo judgment na ye beko eye manso bonteso ifriwa ye beko so hwe akontomra ade amrantie ne ye now the people are no more afraid of the police they are no more afraid of the military because ye jai masadio ya be the source of livelihood of the people
exactly
and ade na mo kwamba no ye bedwane dani get ready na me nchira Ghana for and Galamsey 40 me there say wo ya Galamsey ni bia be huru police ni bia
tell them
if say me dem fi the gold board aba or they bam catch them the ripple effect mo didi matem Dani fa first video bra yenko hemrantia ne wo munsuro se police for kurakuratu military kuratu ene manso eye bonteso wo mo ne wo mo de ntokwa am ye shutu bi ekum bi
more fire
Dani yanya adwuma me say it's so sad
exactly
Dabi Dani nya we ayi se we akontomra ye ne kan ko manso bonte so ansa na ye mra ye ba se we akontomra what
more fire
e de ba no obi ani ye nyina ye din afi Dani yenti
Blitz yabo. Yawu. Yawu. Wabi edane. Wabi edane.
Fini à pied.
So, Danny, now, Kobe, it has gotten to a point. The civilians are no more afraid of the military. They are no more afraid of the police. Or then it's for 200 and say a toha. You see, Major Mahama, the civilians, they're no more afraid of a year. They are no more afraid of a year. The account and Mansu Monteso or more there police for says a mema mumfa yinso edani yanko video baako a abrantie baako was an eyewitness otiminya the courage to say yenimabia police for ne da na ye mo warning say next time omba mo megimi say no mo gimi and this is dangerous for our nation yes say yanka galamse asem na emom the only reason here na ayi philosophy ko ache wasebre na no twa tro ene say no odwen say mo ba say ni no makotubi. And this is where we have gotten to. Avena yenti abranti yenti no.
Elo na your site. Na yeti ana say yenkofo iba. Ini wo mo se so yatade. O mo so mo she police atade. O mo ba na no be fa machine ba ko. Na se akwa ya no baba e. Fanya no tututu. Ama to no bi kwa farmaso achi o. Chairman. Na nsana ka mesu bi kwa me de ankade na bisi. Sabane ne wo adwuma na yes say no. Gobi ti abrantia ne kasa etiofa na so achi o na senaka meme wo media okay that is the level of impunity I get it to. You know why? Because someone is saying penimfo na the excavator saba omunim say penimfo na ne hihye mu it is a mumu betu bi dia yesu etubia ya site dia mo ba be say ho it no that courage say me kura mitua yentie yango so ntie no kura me de ankade ne bisi sabane ne wo adwuma na yes say stop here na any problem I don't family kwan so say bi no one stop ko ba say bi wo adwuma na sabane stop no abla wuni adwuma ye yanko bokro no ana se yanko bokro no won kan che say yentwa ne kwam ho ne ene no enye de ye transformer na wa say no eno so ye galamse adwuma asame ma na wa chi no ba na okura excavator ye adwuma and a machine I got it toy and a little pity. This is my ready to say, young charm, I answer the charm. Some men book, I bend book, some men book, so I answer any book. I just saw that hotel be her. Me hotel be Gomadana in him. Baby, Omadana in him. So my wife is on me play about that. The veterans on the tea, Kruma. Almost a baby more on Batianka.
Me a carpenter by Messiah Galamsey. Real school, training college, Mam Tech, the year 2018. Up to date, we post my. Which means now say the common name. Well, I'm saying no mayor. Say Mahama, and now the next president. So you are so you know be by now. Or Mama Juma as a teacher. Before say Galamsin Media. By young post to me, I may set that's what that demon. Emma Menko Wiabo, Emma Menko Ibia, intimate training college student, me 2018 up to date, me post to my. me sa koye technical no by eno na me didi nkakrakra entimi ma say bosom yensa no bi mfro say bra be adwuma bagalam say ne de bia me ginam me koso aye de to so biemu no se mama na asoma nkofo ne say omomra de a omfa the right uniform en famra because untimi mfa na nkwansi ni ata de nkogya classroom enkyera de untimi nkofa obi oton ntos e wodwom ene ma enfa nko bank enkwatra bank say wo ye teller 1 teller 2 wo discount ma obi it is also soldier ni no oba offer soldier tare mra so a police no oba offer police tare we don't know someone who is called anti-robber you know obi a it is so my dwen say omo ba enne mi gina manim na meka oman mu nyina obi ahwemani mama wo kora na meka sa kyerɛw hwemanim ye na mom no ye post ma ye no eno nkyerɛ say ye ntena fie ndidi o se mo se enya galam say ndidi a anroba na ye be start with the minister himself Manson Kwanta this assembly o ye ko wiya wo mo child district fund neba educational fund any fence eniema ska say the ball man bra no say ba office wa we know the right time man start the ba you akosi o mo age is some penny side here
Daddy, now the impunity. Exactly. You know why? Yet I walk say, you want for the right uniform, because and penifon beat me, Mami Yakopam boys in the floor. No more the almost cabinet. So now the people do not have trust for them again. Because I say, yeah, Galam say, Tony, Anna, Gofobo, no, my friend. Oh, we want to come and join you. We want to come and join me. I'm saying, I not come and join me. Because the very moment I go one side, we are gold and baby. Our break you the next time almost belay ambush a trail because someone him said goodwill and good intent. Also, them ranching I don't trust. Now I don't pempenswa. So we are contromra. I'm ranching to Miss Tissicrum, a Quagalam say side, a Quajitio free China for her. Because almost sell money. And we are gradually getting to we are gradually getting to a state of anarchy. Nobody is controlling anything.
Exactly. So
nobody is controlling anything. Here is a video. Here.
Right, I'm sure so. I'm going to China for a site in Swankasa. Aha, it's a Mabunu. I'm going to site to Wankasa, you know. No be messy side. Football
Look at the kind of gun you cram ranching. Look at the kind of gun. I cram a sophisticated weapon. And a cram ranching.
And I'm over the house of your cotton rats. And Mamma Papa. As I said, your boss at the and Mamma, I can do, but a member not make them actually. And Mamma, a bird do not match a movie at your mutual as I play Omodeco, such a contomra, baby. Or no, and a Dumano, a move 70%. Or quite my Jibuto. I'm a time say, your life one of you. I was here. Now, make I say your life on Ayoba TV. Yeah, that's all our Galamsey sat and I say illegal manners. The big say you so almost say, do share the echo so high.
State of anarchy. How do you go so? Kovi, Yamicha Mansu Bonteso. Aha, I say we are contomra. Kovi Mamisa found co a year Amansia. Amansia. Never the first one I can't be born. Let's share the impunity. Galam saying some course across the country. Oh, no. Because you see NDC aba Galam say asem. Daniel Kone video. Young Amansia young
I like the anyway.
This is why we use when we're coming. Protect the last car! Protect the last car! Protect the last car!
Bobby. General, we are sitting on time bomb.
Precisely.
A very dangerous thing.
Exactly.
Me first demonstration. No more dimatem. We are sitting on time bomb. General, yet a time bomb. This is so dangerous, Bobby.
Precisely.
It's so dangerous. We are sitting on time bomb. If as a nation we will continue to play politics with this kind of a menace, problem now the people have an entitlement mentality because for so long. And I'm fight here. Fight that is how come they don't trust the police, they don't trust the military, and they are ready to fight them. Because if Samino can say, excavator no, if report in a Babasini Kudrum, a quite district assembly for you know, it's a Mahamatinaha, no catch them, DC is in MMDC, say, who MMDC year, Mima 1 week, excavator show forest, may you any 2 minutes, MMDC is in Yabama excavators here. Any 2 minutes. Said your mama can say, and penny and power on pet a yegalam say, Nanya Crocro de John. No say, Minister of Land, Minister of Air Defense, Minister of Air Interior, or my press conference, almost say, a free nedeco on the authority of President John Dramani Mahama. Every DC, MMDC, and for a chef foresting, you be you a dear. Galam say to be trained 2 seconds.
Fire. Fire bend them all.
And someone fell so when they were playing politics with Galamsey issue. Tell my men Kwame Kubi, Mr. Speaker. Nay near Bre, you're fighting in the interest of the people. No more play politics with it.
The reason why Galamsey has flourished is that from the highest levels of the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government, they have support. And perhaps the only way to ensure that the fight is won is to see the back of this government electorally come 2024. I have been in government before, Samson, so I refuse to accept that the state of Ghana, with its vast resources, is not in a position to tackle the illegal activities of the hundreds or even thousands of young men and women.
A few moments later.
We can say our water bodies are restored. Galamsey has ended.
First of all, I'm not sure that a timeline is necessarily the conversation we should be having. I think it should be a lifelong activity. The point is that we cannot guarantee that people will stop.
Bobby?
Kachi.
Say I never see a play politics with it. Young Twasso. On some Uncroft Galamsey once a man, play don't cost what dear. No money abre. Young Cosumfa, now nature has a way. Exactly. There be a punishing Crawford for the wrong things. Nature has a way. See, I am come, say Galamsey is something that is going to kill all of us. Now see a better hour. Maybe a next one, I am me. Na nyobi eden aso ni pebi ne bako why mo enter on them for politics in nisi mo say ya why
more fire
Danny I teacher training for no omo ne nurses no omo say there ya omo kem
papa
yanya na me soro omo de enso na fi me nko regiment no nko busa IGP say why na she ma bi achi a Danny teacher training no said your mama omo say ayi Akufo-Addo no mfidi omo yi Carlos Trouble say who be this where are there yenti
In fact, John Romani, my Oyebi Power, teacher training, we say continue to do. I say 1 hot meal, another bag of father, buying. I'm on 2 meal, 3 times, 3 square meals in a day. Buy also to me, or 1 hot meal. I will say 1 hot meal now, or can you, deeper 10, a day and deeper 10, a cake in me, and it was stew. The kind of montage or montage, I'm a politicizing 1 hot meal. In fact, John Romani, my Oyebi Power, teacher training, we say continue to do. I say 1 hot meal, another bag of father, buying. I'm on 2 meal, 3 times, 3 square meals in a day. Buy also to me, or 1 hot meal. I will say 1 hot meal now, or can you, deeper 10, a day and deeper 10, a cake in me, and it was stew. The kind of montage or montage, I'm a politicizing 1 hot meal for teacher training.
Gobi, say teacher training no say Akufo-Addo aban ne je. Na John na ebe ni. Dokono no so emu na enkwan na ne o ma na stew.
Fanti stew.
Fanti. We are Sontori. No, see the pass say do. The pe do na ebe didi esi we. Wow. Wow. Yamu ya se majo mama ba. Na nursing training no so na womo Dani womo amebeka mo asem e se ma bra ne nsem ne ka e se womo aba beka mo asem womo so ma ya adwuma sei bo so me makoma nwotwe ne entuo mo ka nurse fo na eka ye wie ye no womo se ya adwuma ana branch ye onenam Ghana ye so ye fellow de ben de ben ni trimu afu se 10 days ayi bomfa bodam ni 10 days na wo se wo bo womo wo so nya emergency no obo mo raf wan yeah fix the country nam dwen so de akoma pa na ayo NDC en winia na minim se na me dageta buom ene sa branch wasi dia ni moje etu na nya branch we na ayi wogina 37 na obi bewu a oka se muwe obi wa na eden na rafu moje etu na yenhwe wa na aye de be obi bewu ana no se muwe ba ku wa na eden na rafu so akodu na moje etu ni yenhwe wa afa ya bonus fo yo abranch ayi bonus fo. Hey, me mo video no kwa hem time.
True sir.
Hem time kura. Na why ne wo makola no odidi achi. Fix the country days no didi me ni Oliver achi a. Afa du ba bi na okoka Ibrahim ama asem a. No onu mom no so ye freedom fighter. No odi matam. Me tini nyina. Na me we dia onye me target. Na afa ne no yentie video yentie.
What are you telling me? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What solution has it brought? People are dying. What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye there. And I'll buy him. I'm making that sense. It doesn't make sense to me.
Yo, Oliver, maybe a branch, me who say, you dambi, you freedom fighter, and I saw a Mataya complex. There's something called Mataya complex. All of a sudden, he sees himself as the one fighting for the nation. Edmund Kanasimbu. Me who so did Matabia. Now, and I was say Ghana Muabe Brebe, Obi one day. Now, Rafu no Moje Tuna, Yansha, one of the only patch and you know, to Asusa. And now, minim so against our abrasiveness and the oil. Now, we're one bonus forward a regional. And a nurse for never cast them. Then if a nurse for by on my commas. Nurse for no nom so 8 months ni 7 months ni entua eka tie ne ko jan ye boko jan ye ntie nurse for ye
Melinda Nurse Gladys. I'm here to talk about our salary issues. We are 2020 main batch and we were being cleared last year August 2024. We had our appointment letters and assumption of duty. That was 2024. We have been working for 9 good months. This is our 9th month without salary, nothing, no motivation.
Govi. Na nurse ni ye ne mama. Ye ntraka. Akombekun. Na nurse ni ye ntranaka. E dia ho ya forma. Ni so enkofo no beku omo. Atu nwa chebe no de be sa adwuma. Na nurse fo ye tu omo kakwa no mo attitude ti say. No on nurse ni 9 months ye ntranaka. Because you see MPP for the fire woman. Hey, son of mine do. You do no. Your minor do no. Some MPP for the fire woman. It's yen Trianica. Wow. Nurse for you. Omacro, and a second one on the because yen Trianica dear. Bonnie Bantrim. See in Trianica. What in the force who I won't found. Debbie. Tinkrofone be wo hospital eti entrana as fonica and a fellow one say abu omo na ka mu ye ka freedom fighter de ka we ni akum bi mo si entry omo ka yi na motivation course exactly freedom fighter de we no enyu oro na sa de ya ka ya de ko ye manfo no and it's a wako na emergency ward ni enya ni papa. There are systems and procedures exactly. And that's if one akobo that's freedom fighting. Yenya sa. Na me pede wo ye no. Twaso. Twaso why? Oh say ya twaso sa. Dani nurse ni be ma ba kono so fa ne bra no so be kana sem. Why? Me de me ni hweka. Nurse for ni teacher for. Dey mo be kan one me report. Me de me ni bika. Why? Yentie we so no ma fonfon kura omani kan kra ni nyine pipi if se kwam nko no mde adwuma na we gina we ne kwan be no be so be adwuma yentie no
me free sunyane na me bahai and in fact how me can me free sunyane wa and as a matter of fact nurse am ye adwuma nursing officer me ye adwuma 9 months me nya one city kura just imagine. And there, when I say, okay, you mama, I say, oh, you or papa, and so you now for woman in so you. Yeah, the passionate, I bear necessary. Now, so we are not even getting a penny for whatever we are doing. And the fact is that regardless of your payment status, okay, you also here, you must say the city. If we say,
yeah, Obi, I can bro phone chirame. Yina se phone free so. O ma go come asem. Media mo kana me, mo go come asem. Why nurse for? Mo nyere mo ho. Ave go bi minimum wi no. Ay Regimanuel. Langas no. Police for the show mo chi.
More fire. More fire.
IGP you no. Ya ka chiro pain. Police for no either say muchine langas and amone langas for na yadwuma nioma mienu munchine dia ko stop you Regimanuel free Regimanuel nyene Coviteni o Regimanuel inspectors free Regimanuel nyene afi omo ho a yase ayi woma di court no nsemo so ni ade akura abusua bi de no mo kofi anum family and omo de Regimanuel akọ court so omo nsa asibi about 100 and something acres the Regimanuel nsa ase ni nyina nso about 900 plus acres and omo de court no manfo bi abeto nsa ase ni bi afri Regimanuel kofi afra bi innocent third party purchaser sesa asase da ho na wo sabio ya media obi amfa men court na wo bi foforo bi ba betobi na akire no sa wo de court si wo win judgment di oba beto obi no ono de wo ye innocent third party purchaser eno ne your friend Equities Darling na Equities Darling no emra ne bo ne ho ban e so no oba beto asase no no nim se mansum bia wo so etu okina ntimi nkonko je aye judgment ma na mfa me terrorize sa aye manfo no fire dem go there say afa yes wo bi ayi wo ba bi a friend Chantel so dey wono no akose ayi numo kofi anum for family achi anu mo ya ade no mo so mo nya judgment no mo nya judgment no afa ye ba ne ade akofa ayi langas sister say wonya enforcement of judgment ka the police for na be ye no wo makofa langas for go bi ni ye breaki ayi I was in here. More year no ano na 13th August year. Regiment no so akwa stay of execution ne year dia high court no or more high court no asa bo decision no over 10 any ade nioma bebiri etika munyai no ovi afa to langas aye de bo man forward regiment no hole edani fa video no ya ni ade ya bo security fo nyina ya edani bo video no na man fo ne hwe afa regiment no security head of security ane de langas akọ ne ye bo no na brantie bi shejalabia blue mo kaisa ayi ablekuma the same guy
more fire
afa yesi abran baba we ye friend Shante yi ni ade hwehwe do mo be ye security adeba no hwe mo kai sa abranti mo kai sa abranti ablekuma and we are allowing this nonsense to go on afa yesi obefa yesi baba no ni IGP free Shante no ni IGP free obefa yesi o ni panimu we free obefa yesi o ni anu mo terrorizing so to the extent say even regiment war wo mabubu ni nyina go fifa dani for one baba chere e wa bra court ama order 13th year so munyanse munu yomudi omso munyai and yegusu bubu war oh regiment war yegusu bubu war lo na police for ni yebusa question ya so call regional so call year na regional for na bomani a kire say we asem na okay Shante ya asem na okay one day one police impani for ne power e di IGP said the mete ayi Angela Femere bi amekan so wonim ho hwe dia and ye do didi semone
more fire
so wonim ho hwe ya we ma kan ma kire ba bi kro regiment no enye wadwene se me na ade police be hu said ye kire etuo ayi se Obama kire tua instead some be call after mo kura tuo no na se Obama na mo ko kire wontimi fa police me hu ma kire ba bi kro me se regiment no ye the langas e hamamfo no as police your number one duty is to go there and make sure that the people are secure and safe. Don't come and use the police to come and intimidate you. You can't do that. You cannot do that. Sadia Langa for ne you know IGP asemu abedu wanim ama omo la you regiment of for ba ekura no wo so omo call original make us so headquarters no ba here we and it's episode dia kira ka wa yi obi dia kiri
more fire
the police ni mo boa Langa asefo anamo ne Langa asefo na adwuma mon come yentie because people are going through a lot of terror.
Exactly.
Langas terrorizing people in this country and the police is aware. The police is either aiding them or against them. There cannot be middle grounds. It's either the police is aiding the Langas or they are against them.
Exactly.
Now by inference, if you are not against them, your behavior and in posture, and you won't say you are aiding them.
Precisely.
More fire.
Moya kan no kranchire ho ne ho e ma me no bia ka kire mu pe me se IGP onu se wonwa Langas fo a sabi enyam wa nyina ne se da bia wo soma nkrofo akosho machi na bom so moye ne acquaintance se mo tina se na munye o mo hwe ya you are also enforcing what they are doing. You are aiding and abetting. We can infer from conduct say you are aiding them. IGP onu se wonya agwadia ene minim se asemo ya we any regiment people are being terrorized by Langats.
Exactly.
More fire.
Small intelligence, national security, small intelligence, amokoye. Yes, ababa will be a friend of Chantel. One no say yes, one in Penifun to a tiswa sasiswa. Any one no. We are there by fast as yedi ani die chiri we ye born say akoko watching any ade ye be call ayi regiment wo ho na ye ne ayi wo mom wo na akodi nkomo and mo be tin sam ekoso ho so IGP onu ne nkrofo please sit up.
Exactly.
IGP sit up. Edi a wo je ma ho ne nye di papa. Edi a wo je wo ba ya IGP onu wo ba ya no ne ade o mu say ye mu bi na wo ba no we were not in support of it.
Exactly.
But wo ba na wo me ye ne awu a ake be kan wase. The way you've handled Boko, the way you are the people do not have that kind of trust in the police.
Never.
I think nipa wo ya ade ye sa CID oba no oba akoko no excellent. But the IGP, the charisma, the kind of charisma that you're supposed to inject in the police service, it's not there.
Precisely so.
And so Obama criticized, maybe he is doing it from a different point. But I'm telling you the truth, IGP, you may know the job. And for more indication, even say PI Dinkolenia, yes, one and Sana Dampare Bobby Shimukina. So you may know the job, but I don't know what is entangling you. I want to be judgment. Bibi ni so afre se when na nkoya when ye mu bi umfre kura ye mu bi kan ye hu fa kwa mi so kamiente se ye ma resources nya adwuma me ani ya so nte na mum de wo ye die baba we kakakaka etilanga sidie yi mesrewa wo mu de odinam chantal no de odinam ana wa de odinam said na no wo lawyer tadio sorry me yonko pa wo pe ka kire me se wonya sadia. The only way we will surely know that you are not for them is when you go after them.
Exactly.
Fire. You be there chiri. Yenya asemo yi. Obi ya sorry so no. Ayi oba fefe bi. Wa dani ko WhatsApp page no so. Ne yi no yi ni ade. Na wo Finland. Na wate for the records is New Zealand actually. What for the records fan club? The bia no mo bochenko New Zealand every near day. And what yes, mo bi o honi ade a obe organizing crofo me be charity works in here. Na your friend Linda Sakiti. Dani hwade no so na for ba fefe. Na Linda Sakiti ni. Na what here na so mo organizing nyoma ba beboa for the records charities. Any ade mame yeda se. Fefe ni ade oni ni kunu mu nyina omo show Linda Yadase, Linda Sakiti. Thank you very much for a year. Bebre so samba baba na charities a year ne ade no moba boadia e kwanda ho bet me reach out now so aba beboa me did work at the chef for me just like I said earlier and no show no we are ebe me ho break kakra and me kwakwa yadi bi later I will announce it to you guys.
Exactly.
If it so happens that SME announced it earlier, I'll let you know. If a later may announce here, Emubiano will keep you guys updated. My name still remains Okadiche Femesa. And thank you for making for the records the number one political and social show in this country. And we are not leaving you the space. Space in the Ekrum. And Makachirem, I am coming. Quite be every first one, baby, I'm coming. As to where I'm coming, you guys don't know when I'm coming. Where there's no coming. I am so determined. I am so focused. And no amount of distraction, no amount of air, no amount of space, no amount of distance, no amount of noise will deter me from my target. I'm like a sniper behind MK22. I shall see you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.